Hi, look at this. This is running Linux natively on my phone, not with root, not with VNC, and not with laggy performance. This is real Linux with a full desktop environment and GPU acceleration, running directly on an Android phone. I have installed Gemini CLI on it so I can turn VS Code into a Google's anti-gravity-like agentic code editor. And it can even run Windows apps and games on my phone. If you do not believe it, just stick with me. By the end of this video, you will have the exact same setup on your Android phone. But before we jump into the installation, let me show you what this thing can actually do. It comes with the Thunar file manager. With this, you can access any file on your phone, extract zip archives, and easily copy and paste files from one place to another. You have complete control over everything. If I open Firefox, I can browse just like I would on a desktop. Everything stays completely smooth and responsive. Even with multiple tabs open, there is absolutely no lag. The browsing experience is excellent, and if you are a developer, it also includes VS Code, so you can code just as comfortably as you would on your PC. To make coding in VS Code even better, I have installed Gemini CLI. This transforms VS Code into a truly agentic editor, very similar to Google's anti-gravity experience. Gemini CLI is running absolutely smoothly here. For example, I had it generate a Python notebook for analyzing the iris dataset. It gave me a complete analytics notebook using libraries like Seaborn, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. And here is the best part. You can even run Windows applications on this setup. I downloaded a Windows game called Streets of Rage Remake. You can clearly see the exe file, which is a Windows application. I am running Linux on my phone and executing this Windows app right inside it, and it runs absolutely perfect. If you want, you can try out even more Windows applications on this setup. To enjoy this on a bigger screen, you can also connect it to your desktop using SCRCPI. This lets you fully control your phone from your desktop, which seriously boosts your workflow efficiency. You will actually enjoy using it this way. Since you can install this Linux on any Android phone without root, do not wait. Grab your phone right now and let us get it installed. To install this, first visit the repository. I have provided the link in the description. From there, download the Termux and Termux X11 apps. The download links are inside the repository, so just click on them and download and install both apps one by one. Next, go back to the repository page and scroll down. Copy the one-line installation command from there. Then, open the Termux app. Paste that command into Termux and hit enter. This command will automatically update your packages and install Linux on your phone. It may take around 10 minutes, so be patient and let it finish. Once it is done, your Linux is fully installed. Now, we need to start it up. Go back to the repository and copy the storage setup command. Paste it into Termux and run it. Then, go back to the repository one more time and copy the Linux start desktop command. After copying it, open the Termux X11 app and leave it running in the background. Then, open Termux, paste the command, and run it. This command will start a server that sets up your display and audio. Once it is running, switch over to the Termux X11 app that you left in the background. And there you go. Your Linux is fully up and running on your phone. Use it however you like. To adjust the screen size and keyboard, pull down the status bar and tap on Preferences. Inside Preferences, tap Output to configure your screen size. Try out the Scale Native and Tweak settings to find what works best for you. You can also turn the keyboard on or off from the keyboard settings. Now that everything is set up, let us install Gemini CLI. Open the terminal inside this Linux environment. Copy the Gemini CLI installation command from the repository. Paste it into the terminal. press enter, and let it run. Once the installation is complete, just type Gemini in the terminal and your Gemini CLI will start up. When it launches, press enter. It will ask you to log in and give you a URL. You can copy that URL and log in through your browser, or you can also set up Gemini CLI by typing Gemini directly in the Termux app. After logging in successfully, close your terminal or Termux, reopen it, and type Gemini again. It will launch and you can use it right there in the terminal or inside VS Code, just like I showed you. Alright, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this Linux setup on your phone. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Oh, and one more thing I almost forgot. If you run into a Signal 9 error after using the app for a while, or if it crashes on its own, here is how to fix it. Open Developer Options on your phone and enable the setting that says Disable Child Process Restriction. After that, you will not run into that error anymore. If you are still having issues, drop a comment below and I will help you sort it out. Give it a try, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.